I could not be happier about cleaning today. I'm gonna see if I can get like this whole back wall done while he's gone. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. This is the food safety program at the farm. I just spent the whole weekend, well, it's been like 5 days now, but I spent the whole weekend, all day until like 10. I was up until 11 last night, trying to get through this checklist. And this is part of the review of the food safety plan, which I'm not going to go on and on about this because it is not that interesting, but it is just something that I've been doing. This is the checklist, and I have gone through this entire thing, and anything that has a flag here, something that I need to finish or complete, and I have until July 29th to do that. And this is just an annual review that I do every year for our food safety program, and just to make sure everything is updated and we are compliance with what our program says. So today is going to be the big clean day. We are going to start. Ben's here nice and early, so I'm going to get him rolling. Shane's going to be on his way over. Yeah, so today is going to be the beginning of cleaning the entire packing house, the cooler, the case ban, the old storage bag area, and we will do the old storage bins when we get closer to potato harvest. A little overwhelming. Today, let's look at the calendar here. I haven't even been here in a week pretty much. All right, today is the 14th, and I have until this day. And we probably will be harvesting sweet corn the 1st and 2nd. So, yeah, 2 weeks to get everything done, which is doable. It just means we're going to have to crank it. And yeah, so we got our work cut out for us. So I'll bring you guys along for some of that stuff. So you got to make a mess in order to get things clean. I think Max and Ethan were moving everything out of that bag room. We've got everything stacked up here in the packing house. But me and Ben are going to get to work. All right, so a couple things here. We are going to pressure wash the walls, the ceiling, everything. I don't know if I said that or not, but we're going to pressure wash everything. And then I'm picking up all of the rodent traps. Sometimes they get kind of tucked away, like I found some in here. And I also found some potatoes with some super sprouts on them. This is a sprout. And yeah, so I've been sitting doing paperwork for like 5 days. I could not be happier about cleaning today. Like, I am so excited to actually like be doing some physical work. So I'm gonna be running around like a mad woman, but I am super stoked. Today I'm not touching paperwork except writing down what we're cleaning. and I'm just gonna get some stuff done. When Shane gets here, the two of us, well, we have Ben too, the two of us are gonna just bang this stuff out. And one thing I wanted to touch on, guys, that I didn't say earlier, I don't say enough, is you guys see me and Shane doing everything. The reason for that is because I have a camera and I'm with Shane all the time. Ray and Dave are doing stuff all day, every day. I'm just not following them around with a camera. Those guys are working full-time, 70-something hours a week, always. Raymond's doing deliveries, cutting firewood, helping with irrigation. It's endless. And Dave is on his tight spray schedule, disking around the fields, doing... These guys don't stop. None of them do. And I feel bad because I don't show that enough. I don't show them and what they're doing enough, but they do everything. The reason this farm is successful is because everybody works so hard. These guys, this is what they do. They love it. This is their passion. And they're going to do this until they literally can't get out of bed anymore. So these guys are not retired. These guys are working full time, all the time. And if we didn't have those guys, like this whole operation would not work. Like, we are the next generation. And I just wanted to touch on that because you guys don't see them all the time. You don't see what they're doing, but they're busy every single day doing stuff all day long, just like us. All right, so we got everything swept up and off the floor. Now we're ready to pressure wash. We just keep making more and more of a mess in here, but that is the way it goes. I'm gonna be a hot mess by the end of the day. Oh. So I've got cleaning logs here to fill out as we do things here. This is part of the food safety stuff as well. All right, so this is full of mud from cleaning in the packing house. See? So because I'm gonna be using this thing for like 2 weeks straight, I'm gonna clean it out. Oh, the inside looks good. Well, good enough. This thing has been a lifesaver. Okay, quick little lunch already. So plan is we are going to start in the ceiling in the back corner here. Okay. I'm putting that face mask on, the thing. Unfortunately, the ceiling did not get done last year, so it needs it really bad this year. But we are gonna get back to work. I will see you guys an update when we get this part done, and we'll go from there. next day. You guys just saw us finish up cleaning in here. So we've got the floor done, we've got the walls done, we got the ceiling done. Half of it is not as good as I'd like, so I'll probably go back and do something later, but for now, this is what it is. Yeah, so now it's time to put the room back together. We're gonna fill these racking back up with all of the potato bags, and we're gonna move on to the next room. So everything is wet in here. The floor is doing that thing it does with the dew point and the moisture, so we gotta get the floor warmed up in here so that this will stop happening. This is normal, this happens every year, but it's time. Yeah, Erica's playing in puddles right now. Okay, so progress is going well. Our pool and grain order just showed up, but anyways, we're getting things cleaned up. And we did a little bagging this morning for Good Shepherd. But yeah, that's the update as of right now. So we're gonna keep cleaning today. I'm gonna show you as we move on to the next room. And yeah, lots of fun. It is hot today. It's like 90 degrees for us, high humidity. So it's gonna get kind of hot in here. All right, I'll be back later, guys. All dirty. All right, this is going to be the update for the end of day 2 cleaning in the packing house. So yeah, I showed you guys what we had going on over here. Now we have this whole area clean, the bottom of all this cleaned off. So we still will go back over and wipe all this stuff down. That's kind of a me and Erica thing. The floor back here. All of this fire door, back corner, everything is nice and clean. It is so nice to see things this clean. Very refreshing. But, so that's gonna wrap it up for today, and I will see you guys later. Okay, so Shane had to run to an appointment, and I'm gonna see if I can get like this whole back wall done while he's gone, which probably won't be able to, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna get my soap ready. We are gonna scrub the wall back here. Closer to the equipment, just kind of gets a little bit dirtier. We usually scrub all of the walls with a brush, but we didn't do that front corner over there and that other wall, and it seemed okay, but this wall I know is gonna need it, and I want it to be nice and clean. This mess over here, this is next. A lot of stuff out here too. Okay, so I am done for today, and I did finish this room. Between me and Shane, we got everything done here. So we started in that corner of the building and we worked our way to that wall, and then we went all the way around, and I just finished that garage door, so I am done. Okay, that felt good. We still have to wash some of the equipment in here. I mean, we kind of rinsed stuff down, but we need to like clean it. So we got a little more to do in here, but I think that will be next. And then I've got a whole day out back doing the mats and wheelbarrows and RPCs and shovels, brooms, stuff like that. I already got a lot of the benches done and the step ladder, so that's like the pile of stuff that's already been done. The pressure washer that we're using, I talked about this before in other videos, but the pressure washer we're using is a heated one. This works really good. And we use Purple Stuff. Literally called Purple Stuff. This is made in Maine. It is a degreaser, but it works. That's why we use it. We've been using it forever. It works better than anything else we've found. And this is the pressure washer that we're using. And this thing works good. Whew. Okay. So I'm cleaning up my mess, and then it is like 4 o'clock. I'm gonna go home and work on a video for you guys. And then we'll do it all over again tomorrow. I am signing off. We will see you guys the next time, which might be tomorrow, which might be another day. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm ending this video here or not. So, all right, guys, we'll see you later.